Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for CSTR owners using Florida's UST database. So the first resource I want to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk. And this blog post lists all the UST databases by state. And so if I go to Florida and click on this link, I end up on this site. And this specific data set is for storage tank contamination monitoring. And if you scroll down the page, there's an overview of all the different fields. And if I get into the data itself, I can start looking at how I want to filter the data. They have some great options. I've put in 2 filters. I've said the facility needs to be open, which is this field. And then I've also said the site type needs to be retail, which is this field. And then I downloaded the filtered data set into a spreadsheet. And if you're curious about the different APIs, here they are. And then I opened the file in Google Docs, and you can see the information that's available. You can see it on the screen as well. But they actually list the operator, which is super helpful. There's lots of great street address, contact information. That's it for Florida. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.